What's up, everybody? So, got some big things going on today. I'm moving into another apartment. Well, I'm getting the keys to the new apartment today. Today is Thursday, April, what, 4th? Yeah, I moved Saturday, April 6th. But I gotta go pick up the keys to the apartment today. So, I'm gonna give y'all a tour of the new apartment. Also, when I move everything out of this apartment, I'm gonna give y'all a tour of what this old apartment look like. So, the new apartment is gonna be bigger, better. And still in the same area. I'm still in the Cumberland area, but I'm just more closer to everything in that new apartment. Here go the dog. He always laying down, but I promise he was just up energetic all today. King, he might like the new space too. So I'm gonna give y'all a tour of that, and make sure you like and subscribe, comment, turn the notification bell on. When I also move here, I'm gonna give y'all just some more vlogs. I'm gonna be close to everything. Like I said, I'm gonna have to find a new walking pattern or running pattern. I love to run around the area, so I'm gonna have to find a new pattern around there. But it's gonna be a little bit better because it's more on the main highway. It's more close to 41. So anybody know 41 is a Carl Parkway. So more close to that area, but stay tuned. All right, y'all. So I just got the keys to the new apartment. So keys and the gate code. So I'm gonna try to see if I can find it from the parking garage. Gotta see if everything works. Oh man, I spent so much money in the past 24 hours. I might make a video on that because that has been stressful, man. Just about the money I spent, man. I never have spent this much money in 24 hours, but all right. But let's see if it works. The gates. All right, there we go. It's opening. So let's see. All right. So this is the new parking garage. I actually like having a parking garage. So that way I can wash my car and I don't have to worry about it getting wet or whatever. So my level is on the 4th level. So I guess this is, I don't know which level this is. I'm gonna keep driving until I can find it. I'll let y'all know. All right, so this is the tour. This is the new apartment. Open floor plan. I love this. Stainless steel. Right there. Nice little backsplash. Whew. So yeah, this is gonna be the living room area. I need to figure out how I'm gonna lay out my, I know the TV gonna be on that wall, but I need to figure out how I'm gonna have my furniture in my office. I might have my desk in this corner over here. But yeah, this is the patio, man. I love it, man. I ain't even gonna lie. It's been a while since I had a patio on a high level. I ain't gonna show y'all the outside too much because I don't want y'all to know where I stay at. But it's nice, man. It's nice. So yeah, this is the kitchen. Got a little, what is this? Like a pantry area. Nice size. Plenty of storage. Another little closet here. It'll be like a little coat closet or whatever. Bookshelf. I'm gonna actually use this because I've been wanting to get into reading books, and I have a few books already, and I'm gonna use some of it as bookshelf, but you know, some as it, some not. Let's go to the bathroom. The bathroom is smaller in this apartment, and that's probably one of the downsides. Like my old apartment has 2 sinks, but I mean, I'm one person, so I don't really care about that. The tub is the same size. Nice tub, nice, you know, tiles, whatever. The closet will be outside. Probably can use this like wash and dryer. So wash and dryer. I actually need to run this too. Damn, when I come back, I'll I'm gonna come back later today because I need to run that. My mom said I need to run it once. And the bedroom. So the bedroom is kind of, I don't know if I should put my bed on this wall or this wall. But I might put my bed against this wall because it might be just better. Yeah. Oh, I didn't even notice another bookshelf. I didn't even notice this when I visited. Because it's kind of hidden when you open the door. You don't really think to look right there, but that's actually a good little area. I can put my colognes over there. I don't even have to buy no cologne thing. Oh, and the closet, of course. I like the double doors on the closet, but yeah, the closet actually a nice size closet. Racks here, there. That's a nice little shoe rack that I can use. And another rack over there. So it's a pretty big closet. About the same size as my other closet back home. I mean, back at the first apartment. The only thing I don't like about this bedroom compared to my old one is carpet. I have a dog, so he's probably not gonna be allowed in my room because I don't want to have fucking fur everywhere. So even though he's a pit bull, he sheds like fucking crazy, which is, you know, I didn't think pit bull shed that much before I got him, but, and when he was a puppy, he didn't shed much, but now he kind of sheds crazy. So, yep, that's it. That's the new apartment. 1 bed, 1 bath. Like I said, I like this one better. Y'all gonna see the other one. I might put it before or after this video, but y'all gonna see my old apartment. Let me just give y'all some statistics on this. Hold on. So on this apartment, I'm paying about $60 less. It's gonna equate to about almost $100 less than my old one. So you're gonna see why I chose this one versus staying in my old one. And that was before they gave me a new renewal, so it was probably gonna be way less because they was probably gonna go like $100 on my old apartment. So yeah, but I do like this apartment, and I'm gonna show y'all the old one, and y'all gonna see why I went with that one. Went with this one over that one. So stay tuned. New pool view. Man, let me tell y'all the amount of bad luck I've been having, man. It's been crazy, man. So, for one, I had my internet set up to start today, and I don't know why AT&T mailed it off and UPS was supposed to deliver it. Talking about they couldn't find the address. I'm like, all right. And they talking about something they can't send a technician out here until Monday. And I told them, I was like, man, that ain't gonna work. I work from home. And they was like, I'm sorry, that's the earliest they could do it. They gonna do everything free or whatever. I'm like, man, still, I gotta go a whole day tomorrow without internet. So that's been going on. The movers, they didn't come till like 1. So they just got done. Now I'm heading back. I still got more stuff to get because I really don't trust movers to get every single thing. So I gotta go back and get my safe. I got the clothes in the back seat. So then I gotta go get my dog. He probably will be the last thing I get. But man, today has been a day, man. Then I ordered pizza from Pizza Hut, and I guess they got somebody new, and I had ordered just 1 large pizza, and she made a medium. So the manager, he was real cool about it. So I got the medium pizza, and they fixed my large along with the drink. So, man, I'm heading to the apartment now, and I'm about to just chill for a minute, eat. It's so bad, man. Like the apartment I'm in, it got a parking garage, and the service is terrible. So I don't know, man, but we'll see, man. Hopefully everything work out, but I don't know. All right, so let me give y'all a tour of my old apartment. So I still got the apartment till Thursday, and today is Sunday right now. So I am giving y'all a tour. So this is the living room area. This is the living room. That's right there. That's where my sofa was. I still got to pick up that later this week. It's the dining room area. This is what I'm gonna miss most, just the pool view. Like, I just like looking at the pool. I don't know why. It don't really be nobody there till summertime. Sometimes there's really a lot of people there, but this is the kitchen. You see the kitchen kind of closed in. Black appliances. I was supposed to have stainless steel, but I don't know why this unit didn't have stainless steel appliances, just had black. The fucking microwave falling apart. I can walk through this way as well just to get to, you know, wherever, but hallway. Let me go back and show you the laundry room. This the laundry room right here. I need to get king of the dog bowl. This the bedroom. Had a balcony view. Well, I'm on the ground level, so. Closet. I feel like my closet bigger there. Definitely got more shelf space. Yeah. Bedroom, man. This one thing I'm gonna miss too. I had 2 sinks. 2 sinks here. The tub, shower. And also a closet. I didn't have that closet. I don't have a closet at the new apartment. So, new apartment definitely got its pros and cons. But overall, I think it's better. So I'm driving through my old apartment right now. I just dumped some off at the dumpster, but just thinking about it, man. Might do a loop. I live in the front. I'm in the back right now. Well, mid-section now. Just came from the back. That's where the dumpster at. But man, there's some memories at this apartment. Just crazy. I don't know, man. It's just crazy to think that I was here for April 2021 until this year. April 2021, so what, 3 years, man? This was my second apartment when I moved out here. I used to live in Kennesaw, but I wanted to live closer to like Atlanta, what I've been in the city. So I chose, you know, the Marietta, Smyrna area. And this was nice, man. It was nice for what it was at the time. It was nicer than my first apartment. You know, at the time. And the location, you can't beat it. But now I'm in a better apartment, but I don't know, for some reason, man, it's hard for me to move on from stuff. Especially since I was here so long. This is where I got my dog at. That's my apartment building right there. Building 4000 in Belmont Place. I don't know, man. It's just hard to move on. Put my seatbelt on. I'm tired of that beeping. Got my seatbelt on now. See, I won't say nothing. But yeah, man, 3 years, man. It still was at my first job out of college. Then worked at Lockheed Martin. And now my current job. I'm gonna say my current job one day. I mean, if y'all go to LinkedIn, y'all probably can see it, but man, I don't know, man. It's just memories. Let me loop around. Leasing office, tennis court. This curve appeal was crazy though. That's what sold me like the path that they have on the entrance and all these lights. Man, you can't beat it.